Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everybody is having good fun at home, and I hope everybody is also learning lots of stories and lots of poems, isn't it? So today I will teach you one story. Okay, let's see who we all are going to meet. It is the Smart Parrot. Say hi to her. All of you say hi to her. Yes, once. So we are going to learn the story of the Smart Parrot. Very smart parrot. Yes, once there was a parrot who lived on a mango tree. Can you see the mango tree, all of you? Yellow mangoes. Yes, the mango tree was very nice and the parrot used to stay on the mango tree. The parrot also had a friend. Do you know who? Let me introduce to him. It was a bear. It was a bear. The bear used to stay under the mango tree and the parrot used to stay on the mango tree. They both were good friends. They both were very good friends. One day, what happened? Do you all want to know? The parrot was sitting on the tree. Suddenly, she heard someone coming. She saw a hunter coming on the horse. Can you see the hunter? And what happened? The parrot saw the hunter coming. So what did she do? She suddenly saw him shooting at her. What did she do? She flew away. She flew away. And the hunter tried to shoot her. When he shot, when the hunter shot on the mango tree, the bear was sleeping under the mango tree. One of the mangoes fell on the bear. The bear woke up. Who woke me up? I want to know who woke me up. He saw the hunter. He saw the hunter. Why, hunter, why did you wake me up? And he got very angry. Then, what did he do? He woke up and he chased the hunter. The hunter got scared. He got really scared. The bear ran behind the hunter and the hunter got scared and he ran on his horse again. He ran away with his horse. So children, what did you all learn from this story? You should never hurt any animals. Okay? Animals are our friends. The jungle is their home. We all stay in our homes, isn't it? So you should all protect the jungle and no one should ever hurt any animal. Thank you.